guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be covering some basic ground on how to hook into events that happen on our Discord server, like get it whenever a user joins and whenever a user gets banned, etc. And also just to let you guys know that I'm considering leaving my videos on the 0.9.6 API here and migrating over to 1.0 and working from there, as the 0.9.6 doesn't have much support or documentation. Uh, I also have a lot of other series planned, so if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment as to what content you'd like to see. Okay guys, so let's get stuck in here. So today we're going to be building, as I said, how to hook into events and such. So basically what we wanted the Discord bot to do is whenever a person leaves the server, that it comes up that X, Y, and Z has left the server, or whenever a person joins the server, that it does the same. We can also do that for when a user leaves, or when a user is banned, or when a user is unbanned. So it's pretty simple, guys. We're just going to use variables to store the channels, and variables to store the user as well. We're not going to use strings because it just won't work. It won't convert the discord.user over to a string. And in saying that, we get stuck into our first command. So the first command that, or the first announcement as such, announcement function as such, that we want to do is whenever a user joins, because I think that's probably the best or the most common one probably. So we're going to do client.userJoin, so that's going to call our Discord API and let it know that whenever a user joins, so it'll be constantly on the lookout for whenever a user joins. And going to use SE, or brackets again. So whenever a user is joined, this is what to do. So we're going to have to create a variable called channel, and we're going to have to find the channel on the server. And for our case, we're going to use general. And you can just use it whatever you want. So then we're going to need to create our. So the default channel that just set it to the default channel that you invite off. So just let it know that it's a text channel, and then just first or default to let it know that just whatever one, just the first or default one. So then after that, we're just going to create a variable to hold the user that joins, and e.user is all we have to do there. And then all we have to do after that is do await channel.send message, and we've done that before. And then we're going to format the string, so format, and inside our brackets we're going to put curly braces 0 has joined our server. Let's welcome him. Them for that gender diversity. And then we just need to let it know that we're using user.name. And that's it. So then we're going to start up our Discord bot to make sure everything's working alright. And we'll go back into Discord. And so we've got like a bot spam channel that I have. So instead we're actually just going to go back and stop the code. Change it to bot spam. For my sake, it's bot spam. And then whenever I come back, you'll see that I'll get someone to join the server, and I'll record it, and I'll just not do voice over it. But you'll see then that someone has joined the server and the Discord bot has realized it. So just as you can see now, guys, that Adam has joined the server, and that it has correctly printed the response out onto the bot spam channel, just like we programmed it to. Okay guys, so I'm back, and just for some reason my time-lapse software didn't work correctly, so I just typed it all out. So it was going to be pretty boring anyway if I had to do it manually. So I just typed it all out there. It just took a few minutes, and so basically what we have now is whenever we run this, anybody that gets banned, leaves, or unbanned, it'll print it out in the chat. So I'm just going to open this up, and we can see that my friend Adam and my friend Dylan both joined. We're just gonna ban Adam, and it shows that Adam has been banned from the server and Adam has left the server. So that's basically it, guys, for the video. I know this has been a really short one, but that just covers sort of announcements. I wanted to cover that, and in the next video we're hopefully going to be looking at migrating to 1.0 and starting up getting commands sorted out for that. So maybe I might create a video that outlines the differences that we're going to have to work with, maybe do a PowerPoint presentation or something. But thanks very much for watching, guys.